This is the ECOVACS DEEBOT T20 OMNI, the world's first new vacuum and mopping system with auto lift mopping and self-washing with hot water. It's almost the most versatile cleaning machine for all kinds of houses, floors, and ground. This is one of the most practical products we've reviewed recently. So first, let's check out what we got in the package. These are all the parts included in the big box. There's a huge auto empty and wash base, the DEEBOT robot vacuum with 2 spinning pads for mopping and 2 size brushes for dust collection, a cleaning kit for the vacuum, a power cable, and the user manual and a 12-month warranty. Look at the full-size auto empty base and you will know it's really serious about the automation for cleaning. The huge auto empty and wash base comes for a reason. Open the top lid and you can see 2 tanks inside for sewage collection and clean water storage respectively, which are thoughtfully designed into different colors to help users distinguish their functions. Open the panel in the middle and you can see the dust bag, which has a pretty large capacity for lasting at least a whole month. If we just look at the robot vacuum's appearance, it's hard to notice any significant difference between it and the previous Ecovacs models. It's still designed in a similar elegant white round body with a raised sensor module on top to support real-time 3D scanning. It integrates and optimizes all the brand's advanced techniques and features, such as the improved suction power of 6,000 PA, the all-in-one Omni station, built-in voice assistant Eco, the upgraded 3D obstacle avoidance, and so on. When first put on the ground, the robot vacuum quickly conducted a 360-degree scan of the house, then it generated an accurate map on the app, where you can set up different rooms and areas for specific cleaning plans and routes. And the T20 OMNI has really impressive object avoidance with the new True Detect 3D technology. It uses real-time 3D scanning and detection, capable of identifying and avoiding small obstacles such as shoes, wires, and small toys. Even in the dark, it also worked well for smooth cleaning. For vacuuming, the new machine is still reliable as the DEEBOT series we have reviewed before. I even found it more efficient when cleaning the edges. The 2 rotating brushes collect the dirt from the floor quickly and leave no dead spots. And if we activate the maximum 6,000 PA suction power, in even one patrol, the tangle-free rubber brush can easily remove dirt and dust stuck in floor creases and high-pile carpets. Once the 2 spinning pads got fitted, you will find that they fit snugly together, ensuring both cleaning strength and no gaps when spinning at high speed. The most attractive feature for me is the vacuum can wash my floor after getting the mops self-washed with heated water and auto-dried, which I've never seen before. This may not sound like a revolutionary technique upgrade, but the experience it brings is truly most impressive during the whole review. If you've ever washed the dishes or greasy floor by hand, you definitely know what I'm talking about. Hot water does a much better job than cold water for removing oil, grime, and greasy stuff. The reasoning here is easy to understand. Higher water temperatures help dissolve stubborn stains into liquid form and dissolve them in water, which makes it much more efficient to clean. Also, if you're used to adding cleaning solutions, then hot water will enhance the detergency of the solution and maintain a more thorough washing. And I'm tired of waiting for the floor to dry after each mopping and walking carefully on the wet floor. Thanks to the T20 OMNI, no matter what water mode we use, the mopped floor are always air-dried easily. We've used quite a lot of robot vacuums that also support auto empty and mop washing, but none of them really cares about issues like stinking and growing bacteria. When you use a robot vacuum, if the robot itself is not clean enough, all the automatic cleaning works are likely to be futile. So actually, every time they finish vacuuming and mopping, I also got a lot of work to do. Removing and washing the mops and making sure that base got rid of the residual dust and stains left behind. But when it comes to T20 OMNI, things are much easier. After finishing cleaning work, the robot vacuum can automatically return to the base for self-cleaning, and you can choose it in the app to activate the mop washing, drying, dust emptying, and whether to turn on the hot water washing. The clean hot water is released from the right tank to clean the mops, then the effluent will be collected into the left tank, and finally, it will automatically finish dust collecting and mop drying. Then it will be ready for the next cleaning task to begin. Throughout the entire experience, I hardly had to worry about anything. Another innovative feature is the auto-lifting mop pads for carpets. You can safely leave it on the route from hardwood floors to rugs, and back to the hardwood floors to a carpet, since it can automatically lift up those mopping pads when crossing between them. Even the small bedroom rugs no more get wet or dragged out of place. The flexible wheels are also very reliable for climbing. In actual use, it didn't break down or get stuck in anyway. Meanwhile, what's even more interesting is that it automatically strengthens the suction power to 6,000 power when it realizes it's climbing onto the carpet. The super suction offers a much better cleaning effect and makes sure that most stubborn dust will be collected from gaps in carpet fibers. As I said before, Ecovacs is definitely the best software developer of its kind. I can find all the useful features easily in the Ecovacs Home app, including scheduling, custom cleaning, virtual boundaries setup, 3D mapping, and clean setting. If you hate swiping around your phone, the Eco voice assistant can also recognize your voice commands such as mop and vacuum settings, status checks, and area cleaning.
Start cleaning.
These also can be achieved when added to your smart home system with a Google Assistant or Alexa. The runtime supported by the 5200 mAh battery also got improved. It supports up to 170 minutes on a single charge, so it always completed the set cleaning job on a single charge, which is so fast that I doubted the first few times and checked on the app to see if it has actually done the job. So that's the latest Ecovacs DEEBOT T20 OMNI, a very powerful and intelligent robot vacuum. It's almost the perfect solution to the discomfort I've had with other robots. The solution with the power suction power, intelligent auto lift mopping, and hot water self-washing is definitely a great idea. So if you're interested in learning more about this amazing feature, you can click the link down below for more information. And if you're curious about what if compared with other star robot vacuums, you can also leave your ideas in the comment section. Let's see if we can make it. Thank you for watching. We're from Gizmochina. See you soon.